Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing my face, my name is Atunuke. So today I'm going to share with you how I achieved this lovely crochet jungle box braid wig. You can easily call it distress or butterfly lock, anything you want to call it. So if you've not watched my previous video on how I achieved this lovely crochet DIY, I'll put the link somewhere here so that you can check it out. You can see what I did. I used a pen to draw a line, a metallic pen to draw a line. This is a very beginner friendly and easy, and if you draw this line, it will help you not to make use of a lot of air, so that the wig won't be over full, so that it won't be heavy. Because if your crochet hair is much on your wig, or if you are not even doing a crochet hair, you are making a wig and the back is too much, you are not spacing your hand, make sure you give a gap as much as you want. You can easily go back later and crochet where you think you still have to cover up. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm crocheting in between of the one I crocheted at the down. Do you grab that? If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you so much. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? To subscribe is free, and to support your girl is nothing. Just kindly click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. So I make use of, I forgot to mention this on my last video where I did this crochet DIY butterfly braids or jungle braids or distress braid, any way you want to call it. I make use of 3.5 pack of expression braiding hair. Yes, I make use of 3.5 pack of expression braiding hair, and you can see what I'm doing, just crocheting the side. Make sure you space your hand as much you can. You can easily go back in and feel where you think you have to cover up. So when I'm done crocheting, I'm going to be braiding on that lace net. I have already sewn my lace net before I started this video, because I have video on where I sew lace net, so I don't think that one is necessary again. Let me show you guys. So I'm just crocheting. After I'm done, I'm going to use my eyebrow pencil to draw a line where I'm going to crochet. I need to explain this part. I draw a 2 line at the top. Those 2 lines will go to the back. Now I start drawing the side line. If you think your hand is not straight or you're not confident to draw it, you can make use of a tape rule, but I'm not making use of any tape rule. This is not my first time of doing this. So I'll start crocheting on this lace net. After I'm done crocheting, I'll start braiding. You can see braid, then pick out the distress. Look, just pick it out a little bit. Can you see? Pick it out with your fingertip. That's what I keep doing. Yes, this place you have to crochet at the middle of the space you left, so that the front won't look bulky, so that, how will I put it, you just have to space from the beginning. Then when you get to the part, the last stage of the center part, or the closing part, or any part you want to put, then you can now braid close to each other. You're going to see what I'm trying to say towards the end of the video. So this part I'm going to is the closing part, yes, the final stage, but I'm going to be crocheting towards that middle. I will leave a space at the middle because I want to add some color hair at that middle. But first of all, I just want to braid with the non-colored hair first, then I'll start doing. You are going to see what I'm trying to say towards it, and you can see where it's that place that is showing. I will show you towards the end. I won't be braiding that on camera, I'll braid it off camera, but I will show you. You have to braid that one to the back. I hope I'm trying my best to explain. So you can see I'm going to crochet colored hair at the middle of that place. I just want the color to be at the middle. I just don't want to allow the color to be near each other. So that is why I crochet those color before I now add this color. Just add some highlights. Do you understand? Do you grab that? Do you grab the vibe? Now I'm done with this side. You have to crochet this to the back to cover those places you are seeing. You have to braid it to the back. After I'm done, I dip the hair into the hot water. I dip everything into the hot water. I added some mousse sheen to add some shine. Then this part, I use a towel. I dip the towel into the hot water. Then I place it on it because the front was kind of looking bulky. I don't want that, so I just use the hot water and the towel just to press it down. So the final look, oh my god, oh my god, I love the final look of this hairstyle. If you are still watching to this stage, you are the best. You are the best. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button, comment down below, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, I'm gonna see. Can you see the back? Or is it angle 360 degrees? See my next video. Stay blessed. I love you. Mwah.